Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I say morning, it's afternoon now. I've been sorting out the dreaded VAT bill. Yeah, what was I going to say? That was it, I always forget. So I always presume I'm talking to all my old subscribers, but there's loads and loads of new subscribers. So if you're new here, my name's Grant, and we buy smashed up motors, fix them up, paint them and sell them. We buy like police disposal cars as well, fix them up, sort them out, sell them, and we buy loads of old classic cars and do them up and sell them as well. There's loads of videos. If that's the sort of thing you're interested in, go and have a look at our other videos, and if you like that sort of thing, consider subscribing. There's loads more to come, and no doubt that there'll be plenty more videos that you might enjoy. So yeah, all that gumph out of the way, let's get on with normal business, shall we? In today's video, we've got the little Fiat 500 Abarth back in. For you that haven't seen it, there is another video up, the first video, when I got it. It's all been cleaned now, and I've got some bits for it. We're going to sort it out. I'll turn you around and show you the damage, some of you that haven't seen it. We've got smashed up wing now, cracked bumper with some gouges in it, mangled wing and mangled door. What I managed to do is I found a door in colour. That's just a sticker. We're going to remove the sticker. It's the same colour code, and I've put it up to the car and it seems to be quite a good match. I've got a pair of genuine Fiat wings. This one's got a bit of damage here. Someone's had a little fiddle and tried to make it look better, but they've made it worse. When I went to collect the door, the guy, I said to the guy, have you got any wings? And he went, no, sorry, we only sell them as like a complete front end. I thought, oh, right, no worries. He went, I have got a pair of brown wings if you want them. I said, oh, how much? And he came back with I think it was 50 quid each or something in the end. I was like, no mate, I said it's alright, I've got to paint them, they're the wrong colour. I can get insurance approved ones for 30 quid each posted. And then he went, alright, you can have 25 quid each. I went, well, alright then. So we've got genuine wings, and it's a bit of a touch because they've both got indicators on them and a little moulding at the top, which is always handy to have. But our indicator's smashed there, so it saved us buying another one of them. And also when we were cleaning it, I say I emptied it out and Gary cleaned it for us at GR Detailing. We've worked out that this pinky ready stuff is a wrap. So this can all be removed. It's not to my liking. It might, some of you might like it, I don't know, or the future buyer might like it, but I'm going to remove that and make it all white. I think it'll look a bit better. So in today's video, I haven't got much day left, but my plan for me was I want to remove this front bumper and start prepping the wings and the bumper and getting them ready to go. And when someone's around that can give me a hand, we'll fit the door, and I can do the rear quarter as and when. At least the car can be moved, and you know it's nearly done then. So I'll get to the rear quarter when I get a bit more time. But today I want to try and remove the bumper, strip it all down, take all the grills and lights out of it, and start repairing that crack that's got on it. And we'll tend to that wing, the one with the dent. We'll hopefully get these all prepped and painted tomorrow, fingers crossed. So yeah, that's enough waffling from me. I'm going to get my tools out. Let's get cracking, shall we?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
There we go, that's that all stripped off. Turns out we're going to need some running lights, because someone's been there before. A bit of hot glue and some random staples. That one just fell out, and this one pretty much fell out. Bit of overspray on that one. Yeah, that'll be knackered too. Headlight needs some replacement tabs on that by the look of it. Not faring too well. And the same with this one. Not looking too happy. So might either get some headlights. They are normal headlights in there, yeah, normal. Find a pair of headlights. That looks like it's boogered at the back as well. So that escalated quite quickly. We need some lights for the front, and I ain't shown you the best bit yet. Let me stand this bumper back up quickly. Someone's been in there before, smashing a bit of fiberglass around her. See a few staples in there, and a bit more fiberglass up there. And there's our crack. And someone's answer to fixing the grille in was to smash some wood screws in there, which is quite a mosh. I'm sure we can make that a little better. There's the bracket there, and there, and there, off of the running light. And we've got another one here with some staples hanging out of it. Oh, we've got more staples here with hot glue. And that one. Now, I believe the little bumper support was fiberglassed or stuck on when, or no, I'm guessing they put this bumper on without the fiberglass being dry, because it's attached there. So this is obviously from some kind of previous little knock. The aircon rad looks a bit buckled there, but it is leak free and holding, so I'm probably not going to mess with that. You can get to see the wing. I forgot to say in the beginning, either the leg or hub is buggered on that, so I'll probably replace both just for the sake of it, to make sure that it's all good. Got quite a bit more work than I wanted now. In all fairness, the bumpers are very expensive, and I do understand why someone's tried to repair it, but I'm going to try and get the bumper as best as I can and find myself some new lights. I think I know I can put tabs on these. This one's not busted, to be fair. I might just get a tab repair kit for this left one, but the right one's definitely busted, so we're going to have to sort that out no matter what. But yeah, I'll crack on. I'll see you in a bit. Right, as you just saw there in the time lapse, I was starting to remove the wing, but I had to stop the time lapse because inside the inner wings on Fiat 500s they're seam sealed on. I'm fully aware of that, that's normal, but for some reason I had so much on this bolt down here, there was so much seam sealer around the bolt, it was ridiculous. was cutting, chomping. Something fell off outside. I was cutting, chomping, everything, trying to get the seam sealer off from around the bolts so I could undo the bolts. They have one up here on a Fiat 500 and one down here on that inside of the wing. Normally they're alright, you can get to the bolts, but this time seam sealer was everywhere. This literally took me about 40 minutes cutting it and grabbing it with grips and everything, trying to remove that. And I ain't even looked at the other side, so I'm going to go crack on, get the splash guard out on the other side, have a look and see if that's terrible. I won't time lapse it, but I'll try and time lapse some of it for you. Yeah, see you in a sec. There we go, guys. As you just saw in the time lapse, stripped all the bumper down, ripped the wings off. I weren't going to bother ripping the wings off, but we did. There's the old dead wings, grill and all the bits out of that there. me dead headlights and running lights that we need to sort out. Yeah, what a nightmare that was. Normally the bolts are not so bad, but this, no, I don't know why. Normally they just run a tiny bit of seam sealer over the bolts. This side I didn't muck around. I was straight in with a drill and a wire brush. Cleaned it up, made life easier. The bumper needs a bit of loving. We've got a few cracks in the paint here and here. This has been repaired before. There's all fiberglass in it, and there's our main bits of damage that we've got to deal with. This is cracked, like so. Now I'm hoping I'll be able to repair that, and we've got a couple of damaged areas here. We'll see. An expensive bumper. Worst case scenario, I'll have to buy one. Yeah. Don't want to. If we can repair it and make it good, then no problems. But it is life, and it is how it goes. The grills are staying in. It looks like they're bonded on at the back, so we'll have to deal with that when we come to it. But yeah, looking pretty good. Made some alright progress in the few hours that I had remaining. It's about 3:30, 4 o'clock now, I think. That's probably all I'm going to do today. Tomorrow I'll get on with the prep work and the repairing the bumper, and yeah, get someone to give me a hand, pull the door off, and we'll change the door over, and it should be coming along nicely. So yeah, as always, massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.